Mark. Heading, boundary, land within a boundary. Heading, characteristic, sign, visible impression. Heading, indicator of position, objective etc. Heading, attention. To put a mark on something, to make something recognizable by a mark, to label or write on something. To leave a mark, often an undesirable or unwanted one, on something. Figurative, to have a long-lasting negative impact on someone or something. To create an indication of a location. To be an indication of something, to show where something is located. To indicate something in writing or by other symbols. To create a mark on a surface. To celebrate or acknowledge an event through an action of some kind. Of things, to identify someone as a particular type of person or as having a particular role. Of people, to assign someone to a particular category or class. Of people, to choose or intend someone for a particular end or purpose. To be a point in time or space at which something takes place, to accompany or be accompanied by an event, action, etc., to coincide with. To be typical or characteristic of something. To distinguish one person or thing from another. Dated, to focus one's attention on something or someone, to pay attention to take note of. Dated, to become aware of something through the physical senses. To hold someone in one's line of sight. To indicate the correctness of and give a score to a school assignment, exam answers, etc. To record that someone has a particular status. Transitive, intransitive, to keep account of, to enumerate and register, to keep score. Sports, to follow a player not in possession of the ball when defending, to prevent them receiving a pass easily. Australian rules football, to catch the ball directly from a kick of 15 meters or more without having been touched in transit, resulting in a free kick. Golf, to put a marker in the place of one's ball. Singing, to sing softly, sometimes an octave lower than usual, in order to protect one's voice during a rehearsal. A measure of weight, especially for gold and silver, once used throughout Europe, equivalent to 8 ounces, now historical, an English and Scottish unit of currency, originally valued at 1 mark weight of silver, equivalent to 13 shillings and 4 pence. Any of various European monetary units, especially the base unit of currency of Germany between 1948 and 2002, equal to 100 pfennigs. A coin worth 1 mark. Imperative, marching, alternative form of march. M A R K. Mark.